Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel once again. Today I have a very fun tutorial on how to get the perfect high bun, okay? And what we're going to be using expressions because we want a bit of volume and we just want more of a fuller look, okay? And this is expressions. And the expressions have been picked, so my hands go straight through and it's going to look more natural and more of her hair type, okay? So make sure you pick your hair and you brush it out properly and you add your oils and so forth because we're trying to get it to match the actual hair. Then the gel that we're going to be using is not going to be the typical gel that I use. I normally use Eco Styling Gel, but I'm going to be using the Organic Soft Hold Olive Oil Conditioning and Soothing and Styling Gel. And this gel is $2.99. And what I like about this gel is it doesn't shed, it doesn't leave any white flakes, and it lasts very long, and it's also child friendly. And if your hair is already damaged, I would recommend this gel. Obviously you can't do a high bun without the toothbrush for the edges and getting those edges really slicked. Your comb, your brush, and then your edge control. Some people may not like edge control because it melts really quickly, but you know, we're going into winter now. Summer is finished, so this should hold extra longer and it shouldn't be melting on your face. And this is the argan oil edge control. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead by brushing the hair in an upward-like motion, and the hair has been washed already. It has been washed and conditioned and treated. Put the chair back. Guys, you want to concentrate on the back of the hair. You want to make sure it's brushed up and combed as much as possible because the back is very important, as important as the front, but we want to concentrate on the back just a little bit more. And then of course at the end of the styling procedure, we're just going to go ahead and add our spray, and this is the olive oil spray. And then we've also got our got-to-be glue to spray over the hair after we've finished as well. And as you can see guys, my hand is going in an upwards-like motion. If I was going to do the bun behind, I will bring the hair back, but seeing as it's going in an upward like motion, that's how I'm going to position my hands and both the gel. guys, if you want more of a natural look, you don't have to overdo it with the gel. Whereas I use so much gel. The amount of gel that I put in my hair, like, I can't even itch my hair. That's literally how much gel I put in my hair and how tight I do my hair. But my client now is different. So she doesn't want too much gel. She wants more of a natural and relaxed look. So I'm not going to put in as much gel as I would with myself. I'm going to be focusing on the back. And then I'm going to get my little scrunchie and have it prepared. And keep your head straight. And she wants it very high. You see, guys, this is how you're going to start it off, and then you're just going to go over it again with your comb to really make sure that the hair is as flat as possible, because I'm quite famous for my, you know, high dos, my ponytails, my buns. Like, I'm obsessed with these hairstyles because I've got an oval face. So I am a pro when it comes to these styles, trust me. If you ever see me one day when you're out, that will be my hair. This gel is not as strong as the Eco Styling gel, but it works for some people. You want to also concentrate on these bits here. They need to be very slick. And as you can see, I'm just going around the perimeter, just making sure there's no flyaways. Has a scrunchie attached to it. I don't know if you can see. This is already attached. So what we're going to do, we're just going to do it as if we're wrapping it in tight. We don't want no accidents. And as you can see how it looks here, it looks already quite natural. Keep your head steady. And she wants a very full look. Now this. She wants a very full look. With me, I like my hair I like my buns quite small, but my client is actually different, and I've done it quite tight. And the reason I've done it tight is so if anything gets pulled, you never know, it's going to stay put. Now what you can do to just keep your expression steady, you could just spray a bit of Got To Be, and this is just going to hold it. It's going to hold the flyaways. Trust me on this one, guys. And this is just a natural everyday bun, and it's also a sophisticated look. And then I'm going to go ahead again with the comb and just simply go over it to make sure it is the perfect look. And then as I said again, target your back, turn around so they can see. As you can see, the back looks perfect. And as you can see, I'm just doing an upwards like motion. I'm targeting these areas here, the bits that you can't see on yourself. And you can use the flat bit of the comb to really flatten and give you that professional finish, that perfect look. And then just spin around for them slowly. As you can see, guys, this is the perfect bun. This is a high bun with a lot of volume. And what you can do, you can add another scrunchie around to make it more tight, but it's just your preference. And we're going to attach some pictures of the hair of the finished product towards the end of the video. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Do not leave someone not subscribing, because we have a lot more videos coming out.